outran the police initially and then suddenly fell, hitting the concrete pavement and never moved again. Not even as the charged policeman rained blows on him, further crushing him against the pavement. For a while this was a no-go zone, and so his motionless body lay there, no one daring to save him. It was Kenya's Black Monday. Police met the anti-IEBC protesters with similar force in various parts of the country, including Kisii, Machakos and Kisumu. Women were not spared the onslaught. By Tuesday morning, reports indicated that the man seen being clobbered by police had succumbed to injuries. Those who circulated the claims identified him as Bernard Ngatia. But the Director of Digital Innovations at State House, Dennis Itumbi, claims that this man, Boniface Wanono, photographed at his Kibera home, was the man under siege and that he apparently survived the ordeal. He would, after telling his story, be assisted to hospital. Even then, human rights bodies, including the Independent Medical Legal Unit, FIDA, the Law Society of Kenya, as well as government watchdogs, the National Human Rights Commission, the Ombudsman and the Independent Policing Oversight Authority condemned the excessive use of force by the police.
We are clear as an Independent Policing Oversight Authority that it is possible to be able to deal with unlawful members of the public without breaking the law. It is possible to disperse those demonstrators. It is possible to, and you see, it is possible for the police to use force in a graduated manner, where you start peacefully, where you're able to create even a corridor of escape for demonstrators. It is possible. I mean, it is not a question of reinventing the wheel. We have other jurisdictions that are able to do it in a very good manner, even who are able to deal with violent protesters, and they're able to do it without engaging in illegality.
Like what we were seeing yesterday happening, where somebody was already down, was totally surrendered completely, and we get 3-4 police officers. I don't know why whether I should call them police officers, by the way, because an officer to me connotes an important profession. Hitting somebody continuously, regardless of the fact that the person has become totally mobile.
The Inspector General of Police, Joseph Boynet, has promised a thorough inquest into the allegations of police brutality.
We caution the members of the National Police Service by saying that our culpability is individual. If you have a member of the National Police Service who engages in illegality, they get excited and they end up injuring or maiming a member of the public, they'll find themselves